today I wanted to do a fun, completely wearable 4th of July look. You know, this is something you'd wear when you're visiting family on the 4th of July. Just kidding. I know no one's gonna go crazy with makeup on the 4th of July, but I need any excuse to put color on my face. So this is the look I came up with. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to look like the US flag threw up on your face, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna go straight into Lime Crime's liquid lipstick in Feelins. It's really hard to find a vegan red eyeshadow that's really vibrant, so I'm just gonna be using this liquid lipstick. And I'm basically just gonna draw my own crease.
Always gone when I need you. You know I'll be there for you. Where are you now? Where are you now? Always.
Okay, so now I'm gonna grab a lip brush and I'm basically gonna flick the red upwards just so it doesn't touch my eyelid, since we don't want the red and white to mix. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab that red from the Karity matte palette and I'm gonna pack it on top of that lipstick red with a pencil brush, and I'm just gonna slightly blend it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna use NYX's white liquid liner. This would be so much better if you had a white gel liner or a white liquid lipstick, but this is all I have right now.
I can't live with all these lies again. I was building this wall of trust, my friend. It isn't easy.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that blue and just outline right above the white.
Can't you see you hurting me now?
Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that same blue and just a really tiny blending brush. And I'm gonna blend that line out. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go back in with that red lipstick and put it like on the outer corner.
Always gone when I need you. You know I'll be there for you. Where are you?
Okay, so I'm gonna take some more of that blue and put that right to the side of the red, just so the blue up here connects with the blue.
You just know it is true. Where are we now?
Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with that red and pack it on top of the liquid lipstick and then drag it in towards the white. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with that same blue and run that along my lower lash line. See how bright blue that is? But like mixed in with the red, it becomes like this navy blue. Okay, so now for glitter, of course, I'm gonna be using OCC's Technopagan. I'm gonna add some glitter glue and just stamp it on that blue and then add the glitter. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean this up with a cotton bud and I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna line my eyes. Okay, so for lashes, I'm gonna go in with xoBeauty's Wanderlust. Okay, so I'm going to be using this star stamp I got from Amazon. I know Milk Makeup also has one, but this was only like $6. And I'm just going to do 3 stars going that way. You can always just do 1 star right here. You could do like a lot of stars right there, you know, whatever you want. Okay guys, and there we have the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.